Hey guys, Roman here, welcome to my channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to hide a product in your online store on Squarespace. So without further delay, let's get started. This is the template that I'm working on. Basically, I haven't changed much, but for the sake of showing you how to do it, I'm just going to navigate very quickly here to the store section where all my products are basically listed. So let's say that we want to hide, I've already hidden one product that was previously here, but just to show you, I'm going to hide this one too. So what I want to do is basically, this is the representation of this product right here. So I'm going to double click with the left button on the mouse on the protein bars right here. And yeah, it didn't work out because probably I clicked only once, but you can still navigate here and just click on the edit product. And then this dial menu, basically this window pops up and you need to scroll down here and change the visibility of the product to hidden. And once you're done, you can just click save or save and publish. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.